Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC. And in today's video, I'll show you on how to remove font or how you can delete font in your Windows 11 PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to your environment right here, right click on it, and go ahead and make sure you go to personalize. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here until you get to font right here. What you want to do here is to go ahead and click on font manage. Then you want to come here and search for the font you want to remove. Like for instance, I want to remove this particular font right here, retro font demo. So click on the font that you want to uninstall. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on uninstall, and this is going to pop up right here. Uninstall this font family permanently. Go ahead and click on uninstall, and then in a few seconds the font is going to be uninstalled from your Windows PC. So if I go back to my home settings right here, then I come down below right here, I search for the same name font, retro. So you find out that there is no font available for that. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to uninstall or delete any font from your Windows 11 PC. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.